Hello everyone, I'm here in New York. New York is the most famous cities in America. Behind me you can see the Statue of the Liberty.
Hello everyone, I'm here in Sydney. Sydney is one of the most famous cities in Australia, and behind me you can see the Sydney Opera House.
Hello everybody, I'm here in Tokyo. Tokyo is capital of Japan, and behind me you can see Imperial Palace.
Hello everyone, I'm here in London. London is the capital of UK, and behind me you can see the Big Ben.
Hello everyone, I'm here in Copacabana. Copacabana is one of the most famous beaches of Brazil, and behind me you can see the Copacabana.
Hello everyone, I am here in Rome. Rome is the capital of Italy, and behind me you can see the Colosseum.